Yes, it started with my Sheltex break quickly to start moving a party outside. Big Boss James in the middle portion now is Stormbell, then followed now by Batang Baclaran, then going along for the first turn with my Sheltex moving a party outside is Stormbell, then 4 lengths further back in third comes Big Boss James. Batang Baclaran toy for the big boy in the middle portion, iikot lang while Jeff Nitz is racing in last. Back to the rear, two runners now matching their strides together, running by the release my Sheltex, and on the outside is a Stormbell. Big Boss James is racing in third, and in fourth toy for the big boy, iikot lang Jeff Nitz while Batang Baclaran now racing in last 400 meters of the race with my Sheltex, this time increasing its lead to about 4 lengths. Big Boss James to take second, then followed by iikot lang is Stormbell toy for the big boy with about 150 meters left to run with my Sheltex now racing away, and finally my Sheltex second. Big Boss James, iikot lang Jeff Nitz toy for the big boy, Stormbell, Batang Baclaran.
The heavy favorite for race 1, entry number 3, my Sheltex, keepered by JB Gusa. That's our unofficial winner. Oy, hindi Silver King yan ha. My Sheltex yan. Ang ating pong numero sa is Big Boss James. Numero 2, iikot lang, 1, Jeff Nitz. Yan po ang ating unofficial placing. 3